Guys, it's a May 26th. It's a beautiful afternoon. I'm Peter, the local mason. I did a few previous videos, but I'm repeating myself just because the video are separated, so you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm working on this beautiful cement balusters and railing. It's beautiful work, but it's like 15 years old, and all the cement start crumbling from the seams, and all the balusters start moving, and that was dangerous. So I cut all the cement out. I installed these pins across each actually handrail, so it's not moving. And today I finished this left side, so that's how looks the final product. It's a white glass cement mortar, and nice beautiful seams filled. Everything is solid and not moving anymore, even this rail. So tomorrow I'll start doing this huge round. See guys, I cut the bottoms. It's already pre-cut. Cut these tops. They are ready to fill. Steel pins crisscross each one seam. That wasn't before, that's why one start moving and everything start moving and falling apart. So this way it's gonna be secure forever. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.